Today with this video we are going to show you the part cost calculation service that Porta Solution does as a consulting at companies that are using CNC center machines. Normally we go as a consulting approach where we find the horizontal CNC center machine in production, and with the approach of the cost per part, we show you the advantages going from a typical production to the PORTACENTER, which is a technological leap which gives you a reduction on the cost per part. So today I would like to show you with our Excel file how we use this data, and this data we are using today are data from a real case history. So let's see the Excel file. So the file is organized in two columns, the PORTACENTER column and the column of the 3 CNC center machine. This file is a simplified version of the real file that we normally use. So we're going to have 10 variables, and this already give you an understanding of what we can achieve with the Porta solution, with the PORTACENTER. So the first data that we get from our customer is the production he was getting in his setup. So one CNC center machine was producing 290 seconds, one part, but because he has 3 horizontal CNC center machine, so the 290 seconds divided by 3 came up at 96.66 seconds. So we round up at 97 seconds. So we're going to put on the 3 CNC center machine column 97 seconds. The PORTACENTER, being one machine but with 3 independent spindles, is producing basically at the same rate. So under the PORTACENTER column we are going to write 97 as well. Okay, the next data are the parts needed in 1 year. In this case the customer need to produce 165,000 components. So we're going to put 165,000 on both situations. The next is the efficiency. So in the industries, 85% is a good data to use for efficiency on machine tools. So both will be 85%. Next are the shift per day. So 3 shifts per day in production. So 3 shifts and 3 shifts. So in this case, we already have in the first data that shows that we need 5,230 hours to produce 165,000 parts. So up to this level, basically the data are the same. Now let's go to see cost. Investment cost for a PORTACENTER is $715,000. So we're going to write it on the column. On the CNC center machine, we establish an average of $220,000 per machine, so per horizontal with pallet change. So this 220,000 we multiply by 3, and we're going to write here $660,000 on the column. Okay, fixture cost on the PORTACENTER, because we have 4 simple, independent and single fixture, our cost is $99,200, which we're going to write it there. On the 3 machine cell, we have 3 machines, but because of pallet change, we have 6 fixtures, and this 6 fixture cost is $180,000. So we're going to write it in our column. Okay, we go to automation cost. On the PORTACENTER, 1 robot in front of the machine, we estimate it at $150,000. So we're going to write 150,000. On the 3 CNC center machine, because we have 3 machines, we need 3 of these systems. So we multiply by 3 and we get $450,000. And okay, here we have the first data on cost. So machine, automation and fixture on the PORTACENTER column 964. On the 3 machining center cell 1,290,000. But now let's continue with some more variables. One is the operator machine ratio. On the PORTACENTER we have 1, so we're going to write 1. On the CNC center machine we have 2 operators, so we're going to write 2 on this column. So we estimated $45 cost per hour on both situations. Okay, now we go to consumption. So the PORTACENTER consumption is 51 kilowatts, which we are going to multiply by $0.23 per kilowatt. And on the CNC center machine, we're going to multiply by 122 kilowatts. So the cell is consuming 122 kilowatts per hour. So now if we go lower in the Excel file, we have this final result, this 5 data, which is first is of course the cost per part, minus 36%, investment cost, minus 25.3%, the area, we need 63.8% less area, energy cost, 58.2% less, and cost of personnel 50% less. As you can see, all these percentages are very important and help you to become more competitive thanks to the technological leap that the PORTACENTER is giving you. So if you are interested in examining your specific situation, call us, and as we did it in this simulation, with even a deeper examine, we can show you how you can become more competitive. This is the service of the cost per part by Porta Solution.